DJT stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end because I'm giving you my exact play and my exact argument. So, Trump media stock onward, like we're sitting at $36, so that's solid, like 10% off today. Super good. Before I get any further, just context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins 2023, and I'm just giving you all of this because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. So, how does my technical analysis look like? The main thing that I was looking for is a double break. And honestly speaking, I still haven't gotten that double break. This is just one break that we've seen, moving up. I want to see a pullback and then that's going to be like a double break. Then we're in a bullish range. Then then I can wait for my rules to start to be met for the upside deliveries, and not the upside trades. But for right now, I'm just trying to distinguish a bullish trend. So that's what I'm waiting for. If it doesn't happen, that's fine, right? I'm not going to force it. I'm just reacting. I'm not assuming. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.